Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play. Okay, today I'm super excited. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Because we're opening a reborn baby. And this reborn baby isn't just any reborn baby. This reborn baby was made by my friend. So I think she was a collaboration, and I'm really excited to show you her, and I'm kind of interested to see if there is a unboxing or if it's just the doll, but I don't know. There might be an unboxing because she knows I like to get baby clothes, so we'll see. Whoa. Yay, there's a total unboxing. I'm excited. Okay, so Moon Baby Art Dolls, thank you for supporting my small business. So this is who made the doll, like who painted the doll, and then my friend who no longer does reborns, or I think she's kind of getting out of the hobby, but if you want something done, let me know. Okay, so I am super excited. So this has an O on it. It's like a little baby bracelet. And I want to keep it in that bag. And then this is one of my favorite pieces that she sends. This is a toothbrush to brush the baby's hair. We also have some, oh, cute little stockings. Please excuse my new kitten. She's making noise. We also have a cute little dress. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to put this on her. This totally matches her. Hi, baby cat. Baby cat's going to help us today. I think she wants to get in my box. I'm here. Oh, say hello. Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Oof. Cat life, am I telling you? Okay, oh, look at these little booties. These are so cute. These little black booties. Another one. It's got little bows on the front. These are so cute. They're stretchy. These would be cute on any baby. I'm surprised I never got any of those for my baby. And then we have this onesie. So cute. Buttons up right here. I'm excited to see what she's wearing, if there's all this cute stuff in here. Oh yes, and then she sent me some mini verse. Forgot about that. Let's quickly just stick these in her. Macarons. Stickers. Oh yes. She knows I love Ghostface. Okay, so this is awesome. This is Vampling Owen, so that's why there was an O. So here it is. A little sneak a peek before you see the little baby herself. Little bow, so cute. Little black bow for my little gothic baby. This is cute. I am dying over this. Look at it. It's just this cute little kitty. Okay, and I think we are ready to get the baby out. Oh, there's more stickers. Let's see what we got. Nice, Freddie. We have Freddie. The guy, I forgot his name from, I forgot the movie. I'll show you guys. Saw. Okay, let's get this baby out. Oh, there's more stickers. Hold on, guys. And other stuff. So, we have this cute little shirt with some little designs on it. It's black. looks like a little witch's hat. And then more stickers. And then I think this is mohair conditioner. All right. So we'll just put this box here. Put the COA and the stickers back in there. And let's look at the baby. This is my favorite part. It's like giving birth without the pain. Ooh, so cute so far. She's even in a little, oh my gosh, this is a bat sleeper. Look, it's a little bat. Bat wings. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, and the hood. The hood is little ears. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so this is a legit sleeper. And we'll pull out the baby. She's in a velvet. Oh, she's in a coffin. Here's our baby. We'll unwrap her face. She's so yellow. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh. Hi. Aww. First moments. Look how sweet she is. So I have quite a few babies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my 9th baby, and I do not have room on the shelf, but I like the more alternative reborns. So ones that look like zombies, avatars, fairies, like anything that is not human being. So mostly like the gothic stuff. But yeah, this is my cute little baby. I'm excited for her. I'm gonna keep her in this outfit. I think she's perfect for this outfit. My new little vampling. So this was Owen, but she's a beautiful baby girl. Absolutely love her. The rooting is done amazingly. She's painted gorgeously. I love her little lips. Her teeth are so cute. Look at her eyebrows. Her eyebrows have white in them as well. That is crazy. Here, oof. She's heavy too. She's a weighted baby. See, she's got white in her eyebrows as well. That's not reflection from my ring light. That's actual what she looks like. She's that beautiful. Like, she looks so real. Like she's gonna open her eyes any minute. And her hands. And her little toes. She was done really good. I haven't brought my reborns out, but I might bring this one out since it is Halloween. But I don't know how I would do it without freaking people out, because I don't like to freak people out. I don't know. So anyways, I might take her out. It is Halloween. It is spooky season, so I hope you liked my spooky baby. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I have a lot of content. For all of you who already follow my channel, if you haven't noticed, I am also obsessed with plants. So you should follow my Instagram and my TikTok. It's called @GardenOfMoses. So the @ and then Garden of Moses. You should definitely follow me. I would like to have some new followers. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, comment below and click subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.